Everyone has business challenges affecting the operational excellence of their distribution centers. Some challenges are blatantly obvious, others are the status quo, hidden in the daily hustle of the flow of goods, causing unmet goals, sleepless nights, and non-existent bonuses. Distribution processes that aren't optimized or system-directed from inbound to outbound result in lost margin opportunities, wreaking havoc on your bottom line. Founded in 1993, Speech Interface Design provides business process optimization solutions for distribution and manufacturing customers. Now sit down and relax. You don't need to spend countless hours on your own researching process strategies, DC technologies, and problem solving. You see, it all starts with a DC walkthrough, which is what we're here to tell you about. A DC walkthrough is where a speech interface design business process optimization expert comes on-site to your DC and learns about your DC's processes. Through targeted questioning, observations, and data collection, speech interface design will understand your DC's challenges from inbound to outbound. By following your flow of goods through the DC and identifying potential downstream issues, you will be provided with recommendations for operational process improvements enhanced with proven best-in-class technologies like Vocalec Voice. All of this supported by a quantitative business case defining in writing a compelling cost-benefit analysis. With a DC walkthrough, you'll learn how to optimize your operations, reduce costs, and solve your business challenges. Visit www.speech-interface.com today or call 1-800-492-0432. Speech Interface Design. On time, on budget, as promised.